If you're on the hunt for an affordable, versatile, and reliable weight bench to kickstart or enhance your home gym setup, the Nice People Basic Weight Bench might just catch your eye. Priced at an attractive $75, this foldable workout bench with 8 adjustable backrests promises to deliver a lot of bang for your buck. Designed with beginners in mind, but versatile enough for seasoned lifters, it combines solid construction, thoughtful features, and space-saving practicality. Let's dive into what makes this bench stand out, explore its strengths and weaknesses based on customer feedback, and see if it's the right fit for your fitness journey. Build quality and stability. The Nice People Basic Weight Bench is built with superior steel, boasting a weight capacity of up to 660 pounds. That's a hefty claim for a budget-friendly bench, and it suggests a level of durability that can handle serious workouts. The sturdy tube frame and overall structure are engineered to provide strong support and safety, which is non-negotiable when you're hoisting weights overhead. A nice bonus? The adjustable non-slip foot caps. These adapt to various floor surfaces, ensuring stability while protecting your hardwood or tile from scratches. A small but practical detail for home gym enthusiasts. That said, customer feedback reveals a slight hiccup. One user noted that the bench walks a bit when getting on and off, though it doesn't compromise safety. For most, the stability holds up well under weight, making it a dependable choice for presses, lifts, and more. Adjustability, a game changer. One of the standout features of this bench is its 8-angle adjustable backrest. Whether you're into incline presses, decline sit-ups, or flat bench exercises, this range of motion lets you target different muscle groups with ease. The groove designed for quick angle switching is a thoughtful touch, keeping your workout flow smooth and uninterrupted. For beginners experimenting with form or experienced lifters mixing up their routines, this versatility is a major win. Customers rave about the ample angle options, calling the adjustment process very easy and appreciating how it enhances workout variety. Comfort and padding. Comfort can make or break your workout experience, and this bench doesn't skimp here. The thickened pad is covered in premium leather that's sweat-proof, breathable, wear-resistant, and anti-slip, pretty much everything you want when you're drenched mid-session. Reinforced stitching adds to its durability, promising it'll hold up through daily use. The standard 17.3-inch seat height promotes proper form, which is key for maximizing gains and minimizing injury risk. Plus, the high-density thickened foam cushions your ankles and joints, making exercises like leg lifts or decline presses more comfortable. However, there's a minor catch. Some users find the upholstery tricky to wipe clean after a sweaty workout. Keeping a cloth handy might be a good workaround if this bothers you. Ease of assembly and storage. For anyone who dreads assembling furniture, the Nice People Bench is a breath of fresh air. It comes with a clear user manual and can be put together in just 3 minutes, no engineering degree required. Even better, it's foldable, making it a dream for small apartments or cramped home gyms. When you're done, tuck it away and reclaim your space. Customers love this feature, with many highlighting how easy it is to store and carry, especially in compact living situations. Price and value. At $75, this bench is a budget-friendly steal. You're getting a sturdy, adjustable, and comfortable piece of equipment that rivals pricier options in functionality. With an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from 953 global reviews, it's clear most buyers agree it's a solid investment. Customers frequently praise its value for the money, ease of assembly, and quality, making it a popular pick for home gym setups. Customer feedback. The good and the not so good. The reviews paint a largely positive picture. Users love the bench's functionality, calling it sturdy, comfortable, and perfect price-wise. Its foldable design and quick assembly win big points, as does the adjustability for varied exercises like bench presses, step-ups, and core work. One buyer said, "It's lightweight enough to move around freely but doesn't slip when in use. All I needed." However, it's not flawless. Some taller users feel it's better suited for shorter folks, noting that the ankle catches position their body awkwardly during sit-ups or leg lifts. Another mentioned discomfort in the decline position due to a gap between the pads, which could snag clothing or pinch skin. Stability gets a rare critique too, with slight wobbling reported. though it's not a deal breaker for most. Who's it for? The Nice People Basic Weight Bench shines as an ideal starter bench for beginners building their home gym on a budget. Its compact size and foldability make it perfect for small spaces, while the adjustable angles and solid build cater to a range of exercises. Think bench presses, shoulder work, or bodyweight moves. More experienced lifters might appreciate it as a secondary bench for variety, though those needing rock-solid stability for heavy lifting might want to look at higher-end models. Final verdict: the Nice People Basic Weight Bench delivers impressive value at $75. Its durable steel frame, versatile 8-angle adjustability, comfy padding, and space-saving design make it a standout choice for home fitness buffs. While it has minor quirks like tricky-to-clean upholstery and slight movement for some users, the overwhelmingly positive reviews suggest it's a reliable, functional addition to any workout routine. If you're ready to level up your home workouts without breaking the bank, this bench is worth a serious look. Check it out, and maybe even snag an extra training guide from the seller to get started right. Note: for an additional discount, peek at the video description box on their site, and don't forget to subscribe for more.